Ezekiel 25:17, the path of the righteous man is to be set on all sides by the inequities of the selfish and the tyrannies of evil men.
Here we go now. Let me seduce you with my body rock. We make tunes, yeah. You know the shit don't stay tuned like the Lean Squad. The local be getting it on. I come faster than Apollo 13 skate park. I just wanna put some feeling in. So get the feeling, friends. So come on, let's begin. And it's a simple procedure. Listen up, and body rock will lead up. I wrote this tune. Only had 30 seconds to know it. So down, wait a minute. Got the flow on the witness. I wrote this tune. Only had 30 seconds to know it. So down, wait a minute. Body rocks in the witness on it.
You will never be my love. You will never be alone. In the day you will be mine. I'll rock your body all night long. I will never be your love. You will never be alone. You will never feel no pain. Every day you love.
The only one, body rock is my show, yo. Check my flow, though, coming through like a pro, yo. I only come through with the bears. Brandon put 'em up, shaking motherfucking ass.